Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are at the obvious Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World. And today we are filming on the DJI Osmo Action, and the whole day is going to be shot in HDR mode because I want to show you how good the Osmo Action is in 2022. So, without further delay, let's start rocking and rolling at Hollywood Studios. Okay, so that's going to complete your tour of Toy Story Land. We're still at Hollywood Studios. We're going to go through Galaxy's Edge and show you some more footage from this Osmo Action. And I just got off my favorite ride. You can see it right behind me. Everybody over 40's favorite ride. So let's go check out Galaxy's Edge. And how is the Osmo Action doing so far? Just drop a comment down below and let me know. Let's get back to it. Okay, so we're in Galaxy's Edge, and I'm going to go ahead and take this opportunity to share the settings with you. We're shooting 4K 24 frames a second, HDR mode, and we are on a Hohem iSteady gimbal with the PGY Tech smartphone to action camera adapter. How are we doing so far? Probably going to look pretty good. Oh yeah, don't forget the ND filter. We do have an ND8, so that's helping with our frame rate and our shutters, right? Yeah. Say hi, Lizzie. My princess. GoPros and the DJI Osmo Action HDR test in 2022. So is the DJI Osmo Action still compete? Does the DJI Osmo Action still compete and hang with the Hero 10 in 2022? It's a great value and it's a great camera. I'm Steve WB and I'm out.